What's up ladies and gentlemen, this is Abdul Moiz and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix problems with your network adapter on Windows 10 by using two very simple methods. These methods will fix any issue you are facing with your network connection, whether you are unable to connect to internet or getting unidentified internet connection or having slow internet speed. Before you take your laptop to a repair shop or get the hardware changed or even reinstall your Windows, I would suggest you to follow what I show you in this video and I'm pretty sure you will get your problem fixed. For those of you who are new to this channel, go hit the subscribe button to watch more videos like this one. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. Guys, before we start this tutorial, I want to make it clear that this tutorial is for only those people who have drivers for network adapter already installed. If you did a fresh Windows install and drivers for your network card are currently not installed, then you should first install them and I'm sure your problem will be solved. But if you already have the drivers installed and you're still unable to use the internet, then follow what I'm going to show you next and I'm sure your issue will be solved. So first of all, you're gonna open up the settings. And then you're going to click on network and internet, and then you're going to click on network troubleshooter. Then in the troubleshooter, select I'm having a different problem. Then after that, click on use specific network adapter and then select all network adapters. Now Windows will look for any issues related to Wi-Fi and Ethernet, and if it finds any issue, Windows troubleshooter will automatically try to fix it. If for some reason your problem is still not solved, just go ahead and proceed with the second method and I'm sure that will definitely fix your issue. So in the second method, we are basically going to reset the network adapter by removing drivers for your network adapter and then reinstalling it again. So to do that, you have to again open up settings, then you have to go to network and internet and scroll to the very bottom of the page and click on network reset. After your computer reboots, I'm sure all your network issues will be solved. If you're still having any issues, let me know in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer your query as soon as possible. I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, definitely make sure to leave it a thumbs up. Well guys, this is Abdul Moiz signing out.